Well, after a icy, messy day yesterday, the cold has returned for today, and while it will be a quieter day overall, it will be very windy out there for our Tuesday. Also tracking a couple snow showers out there this morning, one rolling right through Sebago Lake this morning. A couple flurries couldn't be ruled out in other spots as well. And in some spots, especially over towards the Lewiston area, towards Wiscasset and just north of Brunswick, where we had a bit of a heavier snow shower earlier this morning, there could be a fresh coating out there as you wake up this morning. Otherwise, the big story is the cold and the wind. It feels like 9 right now in Portland, 4 in Sanford, 23 in Bar Harbor. Notice in down East Maine, it is several degrees warmer. That will change as we head through the morning as that cold air takes over the state as we head through the morning hours. In terms of winds, very gusty still this morning, gusting up to 35 miles per hour, gusting close to 40 miles per hour in Augusta, Greenville, gusting to 35 miles per hour in Rangeley. This is just the start of what will be a very windy day. I do expect these winds to kick up even more as we head towards midday. Now up in northern Maine, where there's still some ice and snow falling up in the county, winter weather advisory does continue there through 7 a.m. this morning up towards Presque Isle. Really, this is just the tail end of our storm from yesterday, winding down as we head through this morning. So the big story today, the cold and the wind. Temperatures will fall to the teens by the time the sun comes up, and it will struggle to get past 20 as we head into the afternoon. Now, down East Maine is an exception to this. It will be a bit warmer this morning, but temperatures will plunge as we head into the afternoon. So a bit of a backwards day in some spots today as temperatures fall during the afternoon hours. Winds also a huge factor today, gusting out of the west or northwest up to 40 to 45 miles per hour. Some isolated gusts up to 50 miles per hour are not out of the question. Winds will then taper off a bit for tonight, but it remains a bit breezy as we head into our New Year's Eve before we finally truly calm things down heading into tomorrow night. So keep in mind the wind factor for today. For New Year's Eve, it's a quiet day. As we head into the evening, it remains pretty quiet until about 10, 11 o'clock. That's when snow becomes possible, and light snow will continue through midnight as we bring in the new year, likely all the way through sunrise on New Year's Day, and some light amounts are possible with that. Let's break down the timing. Again, fairly windy today, otherwise though much quieter than yesterday, not dealing with a big storm. Heading into tomorrow, it starts out quiet, very cold in the morning on our New Year's Eve. It's quiet into the afternoon as well, but clouds will build. Temperatures also warm up a bit more, reaching the middle and upper 20s for the afternoon. And then snow arrives as we head towards midnight, likely arriving just before midnight, coming down with a light intensity across the state as we head into the new year just past midnight. So notice the widespread light snow out there. That will roll on through the rest of the night, especially in down East Maine, wrapping up on our New Year's Day morning and turning sunny as we head into the afternoon. It doesn't look like a lot of snow. In fact, for most of us, probably just a quick coating to 1 inch, but there could be some spots that do approach maybe 2 or 3 inches, especially in mid-coast and down East Maine. Notice upwards of 3 inches possible in places like Bar Harbor and into down East Maine. Otherwise, a coating to 1 inch should probably do it for most of us. So nothing significant, just some festive flakes as we ring in the new year. Now, speaking of the new year, it is going to start out just as cold as December will leave us. It will be very chilly through the weekend and into early next week. In fact, I don't really see much of a sign of a warm up anytime soon. Here's our marine forecast for today. You can see the gusty winds, high seas out there as well with the very choppy, windy conditions we're expecting through the day. 7-day forecast is very cold, not a day above freezing. Great for freezing up lakes. If you're wanting to go ice fishing, this is a perfect forecast for you. Temperatures in the 20s. Our warmest day is tomorrow at 26 degrees. So yeah, some pretty consistent cold. Beyond that, we head towards the end of the week, even colder, frigid on Friday and through the weekend, especially Sunday. It looks like will be very cold. Maybe our next storm next Monday night into Tuesday. At least no big storms, you guys, but plenty of cold though.